Forget dry, bland vegan sandwiches. This is a rich, smoky, deeply savoury sloppy joe made with black lentils, toasted walnuts and caramelised mushrooms, finished with a bright, creamy tahini coleslaw that cuts through every bite. Today, I'm showing you the professional way to make it restaurant-worthy at home. The original sloppy joe was born in the American Midwest as a quick, saucy sandwich. We're keeping the spirit but elevating every element. Better texture, deeper umami, and a modern oil-free coleslaw that balances the richness perfectly. Here's what you'll need for 4 generous servings. For the filling, black lentils, mushrooms, walnuts, green pepper, onion, garlic, tomato paste, passata, maple syrup, Dijon, smoked paprika, and a homemade umami sauce. For the coleslaw, red and green cabbage, carrots, and a bright tahini lemon celery dressing. First, toast the walnuts until deeply fragrant. This develops nutty Maillard flavour. Then cook the mushrooms on high heat so their water evaporates and they brown instead of steaming. Soften the onion, garlic, and green pepper until sweet and translucent. These steps create layers of flavour that meat would normally provide. Bloom the tomato paste for 60 to 90 seconds to remove raw acidity and deepen the colour. Add passata, maple syrup for balance, Dijon for sharpness, smoked paprika, and a touch of chilli. Simmer until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. Fold in the cooked lentils and toasted walnuts. The texture should be thick, glossy, and spoonable, not watery. For the coleslaw, slice the cabbage paper thin for maximum crunch. The dressing is a simple emulsion of tahini, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, and celery seeds. Whisk until smooth and pourable. Toss and let it sit for at least 20 minutes so the flavours marry and the cabbage softens slightly while staying crisp. Toast the buns cut side down for structure and flavour. Pile the warm filling high, then crown it with a generous scoop of the vibrant coleslaw. The contrast of hot, savoury filling and cool, creamy, crunchy slaw is what makes this sandwich special. Key tips: never skip toasting the walnuts. Cook mushrooms hot and fast. The sauce should coat, not pool. For the coleslaw, dress it just before serving if you want maximum crunch, or earlier if you prefer it softer. Avoid over-salting early. Flavours concentrate as the sauce reduces. Make it spicier with extra red pepper flakes. Serve open-faced for a lighter feel, or in lettuce cups for a low-carb version. It pairs beautifully with sweet potato fries, a simple green salad, or roasted vegetables. For a complete meal, double the coleslaw and serve it as a side. The filling keeps in the fridge for 4 days and freezes beautifully for up to a month. Keep the coleslaw separate so it stays crisp. Reheat the filling gently with a splash of water. This elevated vegan sloppy joe is proof that plant-based comfort food can be deeply satisfying and restaurant level. Which version will you try first? Next, avocado toast. Avocado toast doesn't have to be basic. Today I'm showing you 5 elevated chef-level versions that turn simple ingredients into something beautiful, balanced, and full of flavour. Avocado toast became a global breakfast icon because it's simple, healthy, and satisfying. But with the right techniques, perfect toast texture, properly seasoned avocado, and thoughtful toppings, it becomes restaurant-worthy. Start with thick slices of good bread. Toast at 400 degrees half for 4 to 5 minutes until the outside is deeply golden and crisp while the inside stays slightly chewy. This Maillard reaction creates flavour and structure so the toast doesn't get soggy under the avocado. Use perfectly ripe avocados that yield gently to pressure. Season them aggressively with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, a squeeze of lemon or lime for brightness, and a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. The acid balances the richness and keeps the avocado vibrant. The first elevated version is the refined classic. Creamy mashed avocado, flaky sea salt, red pepper flakes, toasted sesame seeds, and a finishing oil. Simple, balanced, and beautiful. Next, add ripe tomatoes and fresh herbs. The acidity and juiciness of the tomatoes cut through the rich avocado, while sumac adds a bright, lemony note. Add a soft-boiled or jammy egg for richness and protein. The creamy yolk becomes a natural sauce that ties everything together. For a more luxurious version, add torn burrata or a soft fresh cheese. The creamy texture against the avocado creates an incredibly rich and satisfying bite. The final version focuses on texture and spice. Toasted seeds for crunch, roasted garlic for depth, and chili for heat. This one delivers contrast in every bite. Always season in layers. Toast first for structure, avocado second for creaminess, toppings last for texture and brightness. Build height for a more impressive presentation. Never assemble too far in advance or the toast will soften. Keep the toast and avocado separate. Toast can stay at room temperature for a day. Seasoned avocado lasts up to 2 days in the fridge with extra lemon juice. Assemble only when ready to eat. With the right technique, avocado toast becomes a canvas for flavour, texture and creativity. Which of these 5 elevated versions will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.